just as keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers seeking precision, build quality, and comfort, a good file cabinet is a must-have for anyone who values organization and productivity. This guide reviews 5 of the best 2-drawer file cabinets. List number: Unioli 2-drawer file cabinet with lock, metal file cabinets for home office, under-desk storage. The Unioli 2-drawer file cabinet combines a compact design with sturdy metal construction and added security. Featuring a lock that secures both drawers and a sleek black finish, it fits easily under most desks, maximizing your office space. Both drawers accommodate letter and legal-sized files, and the smooth glide rails make opening and closing effortless. Ideal for home offices, it offers an excellent balance of durability and value while keeping your documents organized and secure. List new device 2-drawer metal file cabinet, fully assembled, under desk, black. For those who want a hassle-free solution right out of the box, the device 2-drawer metal file cabinet comes fully assembled. It's compact, under desk size, saves space while still providing ample storage for letter-sized documents. The drawers open smoothly and have built-in handles for easy access. Its all-metal construction and classic black design make it both durable and stylish. This cabinet is perfect for small home offices or workspaces that need a straightforward, reliable filing system. List number: Alera 280-626 letter-size 2-drawers Soho vertical file cabinet black. The Alera Soho vertical file cabinet is a budget-friendly yet highly functional option for organizing your paperwork. Designed specifically for letter-sized files, it's made from lightweight but sturdy materials, making it easy to move and place. Its simple traditional design fits into any office decor, and its drawers slide well even under regular use, while it may not include a lock. List number: Ukimo 2-drawer file cabinet with lock, vertical file cabinet with lock, locking file cabinet. If security is a top priority, the Ukimo 2-drawer file cabinet has you covered. It features a sturdy lock that secures both drawers, ensuring that sensitive documents stay safe. Its vertical design maximizes storage in a compact footprint, making it ideal for smaller offices or home workspaces. Both drawers accommodate letter and legal-size files and slide smoothly on durable rails. List number: LV Steel 2-drawer file cabinet with lock and 4 keys, mobile metal filing cabinet. File cabinets for home office. The LV Steel 2-drawer file cabinet combines mobility with robust security. Equipped with wheels and 4 keys, it's easy to move while keeping your documents locked away securely. Made from heavy-duty metal, it's designed for durability and long-lasting use. Its compact design fits neatly under a desk, and the drawers accommodate both letter and legal-sized files. For those who want flexibility, security,